Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into 10 easy ways to make money online. Whether you're a student looking for extra cash or aiming to transition into remote work, these methods can help you reach your financial goals. Let's jump right in. Freelancing. Our first method is freelancing. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr allow you to offer your skills and services to clients worldwide. Whether you're a writer, graphic designer, or programmer, freelancing enables you to work on projects within your expertise from the comfort of your own home. Online surveys. Next up, online surveys. Websites like Swagbucks and SurveyJunkie offer cash rewards or gift cards for sharing your opinions on products and services. While it won't make you rich, it's a simple way to earn some pocket money in your spare time. Blogging. Have a passion for writing? Consider starting a blog. By sharing your expertise or experiences, you can attract an audience and monetize your blog through advertising, sponsored content, or selling digital products like ebooks or courses. It takes time to build an audience, but with dedication, it can become a lucrative online business. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is another great way to earn money online. By promoting products or services through unique affiliate links, you earn a commission on every sale made through your referral. You can join affiliate programs of various companies, such as Amazon Associates, and incorporate affiliate links into your content. Online tutoring. If you have expertise in a particular subject, online tutoring can be a rewarding option. Platforms like VipGid and Tutor.com connect you with students worldwide seeking to learn. Teach English, math, music, or any other subject you excel in, all from the comfort of your own home. Dropshipping. Dropshipping is an e-commerce business model where you sell products without physically stocking them. Partner with a supplier who handles inventory and shipping. Using platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce, set up your online store, market the products, and earn a profit on each sale. Online content creation. Online content creation has become a lucrative industry. Platforms like YouTube and TikTok offer opportunities to create and share videos. Through ad revenue, brand partnerships, and sponsorships, you can turn your hobby into a money-making venture. Consistency and quality content are key. Online coaching. If you have expertise in a particular field, consider becoming an online coach or consultant. Whether it's fitness, personal development, or business strategies, people are willing to pay for your guidance. Platforms like Coach.me and Clarity.fm provide a platform to connect with clients and offer your services remotely. Social media management. Social media management is in high demand. Many businesses struggle to manage their online presence effectively. If you have a knack for social media marketing, offer your services as a social media manager and help clients grow their online following while earning money in return. Online stock trading. Lastly, online stock trading. With the rise of online brokerages, anyone can invest in stocks and potentially earn money through trading. However, it's crucial to do thorough research, understand the risks involved, and start with small investments until you gain experience. Conclusion. And there you have it. 10 easy ways to make money online. While these methods offer great opportunities, they require effort, dedication, and sometimes a learning curve. Pick the ones that resonate with your skills and interests, and start your online money-making journey today.